Hello, my name is Tyler Reinert, the founder of Autograze. Our mission is to simplify rotational grazing and make it feasible for small-scale farming and homesteading. We want to bring the sustainability and healthy practices from rotational grazing and make it approachable for the everyday man. By using our smart gate technology integrated with our easy-to-use app, it is simply smart grazing at your fingertips. Meet Josh, a dear friend of mine who has been struggling to implement rotational grazing techniques. But first, let's quickly take a step back and understand the scope of rotational grazing. Rotational grazing is the practice of moving livestock over different pastures for a specific time period, allowing each pasture to rest a number of days before grazing resumes. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, this technique improves pasture soil health, increases pasture resiliency, reduces erosion, and reduces parasites in livestock. All of these benefits make rotational grazing very appealing to livestock owners of any scale. However, the challenge is the enormous dedication of time and energy to move the animals. Depending on the pasture size and number of animals supported, the animals must be rotated daily, if not more frequently. This constant movement of animals and infrastructure required can be extremely overwhelming, which is precisely the predicament my friend Josh has experienced. After a full-time job, getting home late, he still had to put on the boots and hike out to the fields to move his animals. He found over the course of a month he forgot or ran out of time to move these animals at least once a week. So although rotational grazing is very beneficial, it has its time demand challenges. As a small-scale farmer myself, looking into rotationally grazing sheep, this is very, very interesting to me as well. So how does Autograze solve this issue? Our user will be in control of access to each pasture from anywhere. Our app enables gate access to each pasture, ensuring animals graze in the appropriate areas. The app also aids in pasture management, tracking pasture status, days since grazed / ready to graze, which pastures are active, weather conditions impacting pastures, and custom satellite overview of the grazing areas. Additionally, the app can enable gates on a set schedule and provide status confirmation to validate. The app interfaces with our automated smart gate system. This system can be installed on a traditional gate or installed with our adjustable sized gate. A microprocessor interfaces with the application and enables commands and providing feedback to the app. The linear actuator drives the action, and with an embedded absolute encoder, the gate status can be reviewed at any time, ensuring gate status and access are correct at all times. How does Autograze stand out from the others? Although other applications can be used to help in pasture management and some satellite overview of your farm, none boast the compatibility and interfacing with gate controls that Autograze does. Autograze provides the unique opportunity to enable these gates, access, and understand the control to your animals from the comfort of wherever you please. Autograze's revenue will be driven by two methods: a first-time system purchase and a monthly subscription to a premium app. The first-time system purchase will include a complete starter package with everything you need, ranging from $350 to $550, depending if you also purchase our custom size gate. The app will have a free version as well as a premium version with access to superior information. This market is regionally scalable, with the current primary focus on York and Adams County of Pennsylvania, boasting around 1,000 small-scale farms. This does not include the hundreds, if not thousands, of undocumented local homesteads. As you can see, we have a lot of room to grow throughout the country. Our team is made up of myself, Tyler Reinert, as the founder, with a background in mechanical engineering and having started my own homestead. Austin Reinert as our lead programmer, currently enrolled in a computer science and mechanical engineering degree. And finally, our homestead consultant in Dylan Reinert, who has been a homesteader for multiple years. Today, Autograze is asking for the initial investment of $2,000 for software and hardware development, prototyping, systems integration and test, and marketing. Each of these phases will take around 3 months and be deliverable by the end of the year. Our goal is to provide the benefits of rotational grazing to the everyday man so that we can provide both the sustainable efforts for our earth, but also for our practices. Thank you.